following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Marinette County, central Oconto County, until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Marinette, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marinette, Oconto, Peshtigo, Porterfield, Lena, Harmony, Cullen, and County line. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Wait,
If you
do they have
spot
a
a
name for
tornado,
these kind
go
of
at once
places?
into the basement or
Shopping
small
mall?
central room
You
in
know,
a
shopping
sturdy
outlet
structure.
thing? I mean, like the
Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Marinette, and Oconto.
It's like European. Oh, cool. It's